Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you guys this solar light set that I got here. I'm just going to open it up from the bottom. I don't have any tape to open it up from the top. Hopefully we can show you guys what it all is. Oh, box is empty, but everything's out here. So here we have the solar panel. So that's good. So we have a nice looking solar panel with the little screw bolts here. And it comes with a little connector like that. Then we have our light. So this is a nice bright light. This is going to be, and then there's the connector for that. We also have a remote control. We can control it with that. And we have the little mounting brackets so we can connect up the light to the top of our shed that we're going to be putting this in. So we'll have it connected up like this and this. And it'll be screwed up and then we can have light. So let's see how the light looks here. We're gonna plug it in. We'll see how bright this thing really is and how it works. I don't know if it has any battery, if it's gonna be able to turn on without being outside. But we'll see here. Might have something in there. Yeah, it does. So there we go. So this is a little bit of light. There's flashing. More. It's got motion sensor, so that's kind of cool. And then they're off. So I guess this is going to be how it is, but we're going to have to, I guess it is kind of bright. It's going to put out a whole bit of light. And then we have the solar panel, so we'll put that out and we'll probably have to attach it up the side somewhere and screw it on. So we'll see if we can get this thing installed somewhere and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's installed. Okay, so we decided to put this one here inside this house that is under construction and has no electricity right now. So during the construction process at night, it'll look like someone's here and there'll be some light. So how cool is that? Totally thumbs up on that one there. Let me show you where the outside one is. Because it's under construction, we were able to just stick the panel just right outside the window there. So very cool.